In this video, we are going to go through four main things. What is Bomahut? What can Bomahut do for you? We'll get a quick demo of Bomahut, and then we'll finally talk about the security of your data in Bomahut. So, what is Bomahut? Bomahut is an easy-to-use tool that can help landlords and property managers in Kenya handle everything about their rental property in one place. It helps you to easily store tenant information and financial information, so you can easily know who has paid and who is in arrears. It also comes with many other important features. With Bomahut, you can, number one, save time. Bomahut automatically handles most rental management tasks that used to take hours of your time. It can also help you track payments easily, so no more manual entries in spreadsheets or record books. Payments are automatically recorded and organized. Thirdly, Bomahut helps you communicate effectively with your tenants. You can send receipts, invoices, statements, and reminders to your tenants with just a few clicks. You can also manage water and other utility usage. You can easily record water consumption, calculate bills, and charge tenants accurately based on their consumption. It also helps you see all your profits clearly. You can get a quick picture of your income, expenses, and profits from all your rental properties. Property managers, Bomahut can help you create professional property reports for your landlords within seconds, not hours. So let me take you through a quick demo of Bomahut so you can see how it works. Here you can see the unpaid tenant balances from the previous months, the ones for May or the current month. You can look at the overpayments, you can send reminders, you can view balances, you can look at the May payments, you can see the occupancy summary here, and a few other things on the dashboard. So we're going to add one property, one unit, and one tenant. Okay, so let's add a property. So the property, we will call it Boma Apartments. So let's add a property here. Let's say Boma Apartments. Okay, how many units? Let's say it has 35 units. Let's say it's in Nairobi. Okay. You can click on show more. You can put the water rate, so say around 150, which is the common rate for water. All these other things, these are all optional, but you can add them if you want. For example, if you're billing service charge, you can put it under other recurring bills also. Okay, if this amount is the same for all your tenants, this is where you put it. You can put it here under the other recurring bills. So let's say it's 1,000 shillings, and then from here you can add the property. So once you add the property, now we're adding 2 units. Let's add 2 units and 1 tenant only. Okay, so let's add 2 units, B1 and B2. So let's do B1, 10,000 shillings rent, and then we say add. Then we can come down here and say add another unit, B2, 10,000. Now we've added 2 units. So we're going to add a tenant to B1. So I'll add myself as a tenant. So tenants here, add tenant. You can see you can now select from B1 or B2 because we added them as units. If you did not add them, you will not see them here. So B1, and then Newton, then dash. If you can even use a second name, so say Kiprotich, then my phone number. Other details you can do, the deposit they paid, rent, for example, rent deposit of 10,000, account number, by default it will be B1, national ID, all these other things are optional, KRA pin, all these other things, all optional if you want to add them. You can even upload a file like the ID copy here. Now we've added the tenant. So you can see we have Newton here, and you have their details for each tenant. You can change the details, you can add an invoice, you can add a payment, send a custom message, send them their statement, email it to them, you can download their statement, you can shift them from one unit to another, and you can delete them. So those are the main things. You can also send reminders to all the tenants in bulk by selecting this, and then you say Boma Apartments. By saying send reminders, everyone who has a balance in your property will receive a message with their accurate balance. All these other things, you can view a full demo of Bomahut on YouTube. So you can also access it by creating an account, and Bomahut will automatically send a demo video to you via SMS. At Bomahut, we take data security and integrity seriously. Bomahut was recently certified by the Office of the Data Protection Commission as data handlers and processors. All the data stored on our system is encrypted. Your data will only be seen by yourself and those you give access to. Bomahut is used by over 100 property managers and landlords in Kenya and a few others within Africa. It was recently awarded as the best affordable property management software in Kenya at the Real Estate Awards 2024. Visit www.bomahut.com to get started today.